Hello, my name is Marcus Whitted. I'm a Managed Print Services Technician at imageOne, and today we're going to fix black streaks on prints when scanning. If you're getting streaks on your prints while scanning, it's very likely it's coming from the ADF glass at the top of the printer. First, you want to get a soft or microfiber cloth. Then, either pure water or some kind of glass cleaner. Spray the tip of the cloth and slightly wipe the glass. You may have to apply pressure or use your fingernail because some of the smudges get a little stuck. Once you finish cleaning your ADF glass, make sure that it's dry. If it's dry and clean, you're good to go. Go ahead and close the lid and resume scanning.